I brought in a couple things from Spellbinders. So, Spellbinders, oh yes, you guys are encouraging people to thumbs up. That's awesome. If you're watching, you might as well just hit that little thumbs up button because why not, right? So I brought a couple of different paper collections and embellishments in from Spellbinders. I haven't carried any Spellbinders products before, so I'm just kind of dipping my toe in the water. I don't know how much they've done of paper products like this before, but I fell in love with both of these, so I thought they'd be fun to bring in. So this first one I'm going to show you is called Belleview. And Belleview comes in I think it's called a scrapbooker's kit or a paper crafting kit. So this is the kit and it includes all of these pieces I'm about to show you. Starting with the pattern paper. So 12 by 12 pattern paper. There are 20 sheets. None of the designs are duplicated or replicated. So you have 20 different designs. 3 of those 20 have gold foil on them. So as we take a look at these, just beautiful, beautiful for any of your 12 by 12 paper crafting projects, but great for your mini books, but even great for our lists, right? When we do our lists, look at those two together. I mean, the colors in this Bellevue collection, so pretty. I love kind of that blue with the soft green. Of course, there's a little bit of yellow in there. Gotta love that yellow. Another stripe. This is kind of a similar variation on that first stripe that we looked at, but this one has a little bit of gold foil in it. Some pink to pull out a little bit of that pink in the flowers. Another pink. Love this one, this light blue, these little light blue, oh my gosh, bows. Hello, bows, that's what they are. They're bows. More florals, bringing in a little bit of that pink, but I love this. Look at the florals with the pink with the mint, the florals with the navy and kind of the cream with a little bit of pink accent, and then the florals with that mint background. I'm a sucker always for a good wood grain, so really pretty wood grain. A nice kind of teal diamond print. This one, I love this with the that little peacock. You have gold foil stamped kind of writing in the corners. Peacock again. I don't know if peacocks is a plural thing or not. This is kind of a really nice white polka, not white polka dot, kind of that light blue polka dot. Your mint in a ledger. Words. Beautiful kind of watercolor green. That's kind of, I guess, kind of like a periwinkle, right? Kind of like a periwinkle. And then this, the little silhouettes. And then those keys are also gold foiled. So that is the paper pack. That is part of the kit, all right? So 4 different products in this Bellevue kit. So the paper. Then we have the die cut. As part of the kit, the die cut cardstock sentiments. There are 162 pieces in here. And if I remember correctly, yes, 2 of each design. So probably 81 pieces. These are kind of a die cut. They're a die cut. Maybe a little bit thinner than, say, the Simple Stories die cuts, but not as thin as maybe the papery from American Crafts. So some gold foil in there, your gold foiled words, happy, loved, precious. Lots of great little pieces here, different sizes, different shapes, some labels, some hearts, lots of fun things. This is the sentiment pack. So you're going to see 2 each. Ooh, look how fun that is. 2 each of 81 different designs. Look how fun those are. Kind of have for a little date or maybe a little word strip sticker or something. So lots of pieces here. They start to get a little bit bigger. Like that is probably a 3x4 card. Everything beautiful has its moment. May your dreams take you to the most special places your heart will ever know. So just some really fun pieces. Those are going to be your sentiments that are part of that kit. So you'll be able to see all of those on my website, but there you go. There are all of the 81 sentiments times 2, 162. All right, so also part of that kit, And the kits are super reasonable. I think they're like 21 or 22 retail US. So a really good price, especially when you consider you're getting 20 papers. I think that's the right price, whatever the website shows. Mimi, it is standard scrapbook paper. Great question. Standard thickness, okay, for your like standard, standard scrapbook paper. It says 180 GSM. So if that means anything to you, 180 GSM. Lisa, yes, very fun to make clusters. Carol, single-sided. Yes, single-sided papers. You have the cardstock sticker packs. We have 2 sheets here of cardstock stickers. Those are 5x7 sheets, so a nice assortment of color and pattern. Those also have gold foil accents on some of them. Some little rulers, some labels, tickets, tags. Kind of a fun assortment there. Those are the cardstock sticker pack. And then you also have chipboard alphabet. So 2 sheets, different colors as you can see. Gold, kind of a little bit of gold glitter on all of those letters. Okay, numbers as well. So that one is going to have, it doesn't tell me how many letters, but that sticker sheet, let's see how tall those letters are, just to give you a point of reference. They are 1 inch tall, all right? 1 inch tall. So that is the sentiments ephemera, the chipboard alphabet, the word strip, not the word strip stickers, but the cardstock stickers, the 2 sheets, and the 20 sheets of paper. That is the Belleview kit, all right? Now, I also brought in a la carte because I thought these were so cute. These are the Belleview die cut ephemera. So the other ones were the sentiments, and those were part of the kit. These are sold separately, okay? So let's take a look at that. 144 pieces, 2 of each design, so 72 designs. Lots of fun ones in here. Beautiful florals, lots of little, oh my goodness, I brought out like the smallest tray I could possibly find, huh? Let's fix that, because there's lots of pieces in there. That little tray is not going to work for us. There's that beautiful peacock again. Flowers, this set also has your gold foil accents. Just a nice, really pretty piece. You could make, if you're a 12 by 12 scrapbooker, you could make some beautiful spreads or beautiful pages with this collection. And you could make, I think, quite a few of them. And then you could just use these as add-ons. Look at how cute. Look at our little giraffe. Lots of beautiful florals and leaves, some doilies. A nice little look at that cute little push cart. Oh, some fans. I haven't opened this pack yet to really dig in to see everything. That is beautiful, isn't that? With the, oopsie, with the vase and the flowers. So, oh, a little cake. Be great for making cards as well, right? Let's look at this little guy, a little teapot and a teacup and saucer. Excuse me. All right, lots and lots and lots of little keys, lots of little pieces there. So this set is the little birdie. This set, the ephemera. Okay, so the other ones were the sentiments. These are the ephemera. So kind of, this is the icon version. The other version that was in the kit, the sentiments version. All right, so that one is called Belleview. Kind of reminds me of like the South a little bit, or how I would envision the South. Like a beautiful plantation in the South. So that's Belleview.